Hey y'all, so I'm coming on here because I am really concerned. I know a lot of y'all have been following my content for some years now, and my content has been like geared in the direction of Jamaica. And what's happening in Jamaica right now is just I've been crying all morning, can't even lie. My child's father is over there. We were technically supposed to be over there, like I've been telling y'all in the long form videos, but we didn't go based off of some other circumstances. So I'm just like in a weird space right now because it's like I feel helpless. I can't do anything. I can't send anything. Um, I just feel helpless. And the power went out like some time ago. So my child's father phone is dead. We don't know how long they'll be without power. We don't know how long they'll be without anything. We don't know how severe this thing is going to be because, of course, we're looking at the news. The professionals are saying it's bad. I don't do well with speaking about feelings and certain things publicly, but I'm concerned. If you see this, please pray for Jamaica. And regardless of whatever happens after this storm, please be able to support their country and figure out how to help with anything. If anything gets damaged or if anyone needs help, let's rally together and figure out what we can do to support Jamaica right now. But pray for my family that's there and pray for everyone. And yeah.